This one is we can use it as the spacer. Let's see if we match with the other beads how it look. Let's go in to use this one match with the other beads. Match with the beads. Silver color we often match with the lapis. Yeah, lapis. Yes, well shaped and faceted. And we are go to match with these lapis beads and use the copper wire to try. We can use it to make like a necklace, okay, or a bracelet. So here we can use the 0.6. Let's test if the 0.6 wire can go through the hole, no problem. Yep. Okay. It's going to make a wrapper. Okay, thank you. So here the first, we go to make a necklace by this chain. So here. Use a chain here. Cut a piece of the chain here. Use this silver chain. And we wrap it. This is the very basic technique to make the jewelry. And we use it as a spacer. So this spacer beads here is bling bling here. We can finish a necklace fast. And you can also use the seamless chain to use the make it as a necklace. Also here we just buy the wire wrapper, but it not must be used the wire wrapper. Yes, here we use the 0.6 millimeter wire here. This one fold. Here. Sparkly here. Here. Hi, Sabine. Happy to see you. Wrapper. Wrapper. Can see it's bling bling bling. My friends, if you are first time in my live streaming, here will be a good place for you to making the jewelry here, or you can learn some very basic technique in my life. Here, wrapper. Wrapper. this one, this one, and this one. Fold it. Tight. And again. Why gauge 22 gauge, dear Katie? It's 22 gauge. 22 gauge equal to 0.6. Here. You see. With the sparkly beads here. It's not only the lapis and the silver color, it's with the silver color here. And you will find the color of the hematite beads is the color match with the silver chain. Yeah, silver chain here. Thank you. Here. Then we are measure the length. It's 40. We can put with one more. Thank you. What size is the alpaca beads? The beads for this is 4 millimeter. 4 millimeter for this alpaca, and we can use it to make it like a alpaca spacer. And the price for this beads is 3.5. 3.5 for this one. Size is 4 and 2. Yeah, size is 4 and 2, and the price for the beads is 3.5. Yeah, 3.5 for these beads. Machine stop. I'm sorry. Yeah, machine is with some problem here. 它跳走了。Here. Wait. Okay, it come out. You can see from Munro's Tanya V 3D prints and the Tray Shake and the Yoni. Okay, if you like it, you can claim. I will pack for you. Here, beads string, one string 3.5 is good for the who love the silver color beads. Who love the silver will be perfect. Here, this one. Alpaca spacer or the screen spacer. Blue? Do you mean this blue lapis beads you want? Yeah, blue lapis. I need to check. Tube beads. Lapis. White crystal. 8.5. 8.5 for this blue tube. Blue tube is 8.5. The silver alpaca beads is 3.5 one string. Yeah. Okay. This. Okay, we are going to down this necklace. Very fast and easy making. So this basic technique, I think most of the friends in my live streaming already got it. Okay, Lori, I will pack for you. Okay. So here the necklace done. And at the end we can cut it and make a piece of the put with a clasp. Yeah, very simple. How much the chain? This chain price is 6.2. You can get 2 meter. You can get 3.11 meter. $3.1 1 meter you can get. Okay. So we're going to hang it on by this chain here. Okay. Let's go into show it here. Very simple design. Half beads, half chain. Half beads, half chain. Here. This one, the piece of the necklace, easy making. Here.